Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Painting with Anxiety. I'm Karen. So it's almost time for drills and chills to start. So I have a lot of canvases that would definitely, qualify for what I feel like I want to work on for drills and chills event. But I was on Amazon the other day and I found something that I wanted to do, so I went ahead and ordered it. I ordered this from CC Custom Prints. Of course, because of Prime and all that, it took about 2 days to get to me. And when I looked at the address, it actually came to me from right here in California. So it shipped here really quickly. So let's take a look. Let's see what I got. So it's pretty interesting. This is a super sturdy box. I'm not even sure if this came from Amazon, so it doesn't look like an Amazon box. It didn't come in an Amazon shipping or anything like that. So I'm a little confused. It just came like this in this cardboard box. There's like nothing taped right here, so hopefully everything inside here is going to be okay. Nice sturdy box though. Okay, so, oh, stuff's falling out. Hang on. Oh, that's kind of interesting. For a drills and chills event, it's got some tweezers. They're the blunt type, which is actually kind of the type I prefer. But look at, they're bright orange. That's really fun. And a pen fell out. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Oh, there's the drills. The drills were kind of down there. Is that all of it? I think so. So that's interesting. Okay. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, stuff's falling everywhere. Some more drills. Some drills kind of here in the middle. Oh. I keep saying oh. Well, this is interesting. Okay. It did come with a loose boat. It came with a loose pink pen. It came with the bright orange tweezers. And it came with this wax, which inside it looks like that's the white tack stuff in a container. Interesting. Wow. And then here's the drills. I hope, did they all come out? Let me check this box again. I don't remember how many colors this was. Oh, no, I had a feeling. I couldn't really see down in there, but there's more drills. Huh. Okay, very interesting. These drills look very interesting. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I'm going to set these to the side. I'm going to put this kit. This kit's not in anything. Everything is just loose. This is very interesting, though. This almost feels like laminate or something. It's sticky paper on the back. That's really interesting. Looks like I've got a little bit of wrinkling. What in the world? I don't understand. There's a color chart down here. And if I peel this piece up, there's my canvas. Okay, I've got a pretty good size bubble going all the way across that. You can definitely see that. The symbols look pretty clear. But there's absolutely no color to this whatsoever. This is very interesting. I've never seen anything like it. Have you guys? I mean, and this is sticky on the back. There's like a sticky cover protecting the back. That's kind of interesting. Huh. Okay, let me show you what this is. Let's see what this is. Okay, so here's a sheet that says tips and tricks. And then it says, this is kind of unique. It says, when opening your canvas, diamond paintings, to straighten it out, press the top of the canvas super hard before getting started. That way the creases come out of the painting once unbundled. If your painting doesn't uncrease by pressing firmly by hand, slide your hand firmly across the painting. You can flip it over to the cloth side and iron the kinks out, preferably with a towel underneath. This is your diamond tack, our wonderful replacement for red wax. If you want other colors, sell them in 9 different colors on my website at cccustomprints.com or amazon.com. And then it's got some, other tips and tricks. Okay. And then 8 steps to diamond painting. And then it's got some photos and information. Okay, so here's the thumbnail, because it doesn't come with a legend, or inventory sheet. It comes with 13 colors. And let's see if I can get that close enough that you can see it. It's kind of blurry. Come on, focus. I don't think you're going to be able to see it very well. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Well, what it says is it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. And then it's got the 3 Sanderson sisters right here at the top. Hocus Pocus is my favorite Halloween movie, so this is just really something that I wanted to do for Drills and Chills. So I'm going to be really brave, and I'm going to pull this all the way back and give you a look. It's nice and sticky. It's almost like, I don't know, it's definitely double-sided adhesive, because I can see where it's stuck to this canvas. This is really interesting. It kind of, I don't know, it kind of seems a little unprofessionally made, to be quite honest. The drill field is super, super clear. I do have that one bubble. There you can see it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. Now this is a small size. It was advertised, I think, to be 8 inches by 10 inches. I'm going to measure this, but I don't really think it's going to be true to size. I'm just going to set this to the side. Let's see. Let's see if the drilling is actually... it's pretty close. It looks like this way we're about 9 3/4. Oh, and then that's stuck. Oh my goodness. And then what do we got this way? And about 7 3/4. So it's pretty close to 8 by 10. It's a small image. Now, the thing about this one is I paid quite a bit for this canvas. I actually paid $18 for this small canvas. I really wanted to do something hocus pocus related, so I was willing to pay that, but I don't know. It's definitely different. I've never seen anything like it. Maybe somebody else has gotten a painting with this. I'll definitely have to repair that bubble. Shouldn't be too hard with my X-Acto knife and a pen. I'll just put that down. It does have 13 colors. Let's see, since everything was just kind of all loose, let's make sure I got all of my drills. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, I have 13 colors. Now, even this is different. Okay, these are like little pieces of paper. And this is a square. I couldn't remember if I had ordered a square or a round. So these are little square pieces of paper. And it doesn't have the number, but it has the symbol printed right on it. Which means with this particular painting, I might try, it's not my favorite way of working, but I might try, of course, I guess on my containers, because it does say this, I could match them up, but I suppose if you like to work from the symbols, see the symbol is right there in the center. So, and these are like, just all kind of like glued on there. I don't know, it's almost like this kit, I don't know, it just feels, it feels different to me than the other kits that I have normally got from AliExpress. It's almost like it's, I don't know, it just feels like it was home generated or something. Maybe that's why it came from California. I don't know a lot about this company. She does have a couple more Hocus Pocus paintings that I might like to try. So I might try those. So it does have, you know, kind of some nice, you know, fall colors. Not too Halloween-y, so I think that'll be fun to work on. I think I'm going to kit this up, and this is going to be the first piece that I work on for Drills and Chills, and we'll go from there. So let me see if I can get this to focus well enough to show you the symbols list. I don't know. My eyesight's so bad I can never tell if it's focusing or not, but the symbols are pretty good. There's some unusual ones. There's like 4 dots. There's a Wi-Fi symbol, actually. There's a smiley face. On this drill filled itself, though, they are super, super, super clear. So I think that'll be nice. I also like those blue lines. They're nice and, you know, easy to see and should help me to line my drills up. So this is just a small little project to help get me started for Drills and Chills. I think I've been doing a lot of really big pieces lately, so I think it'll be a fun one for me to do. Because even though this was expensive, I'm just really curious. I think I may go purchase one of the other Hocus Pocus kits so that it'll come and I can kind of compare and see if the experience ordering from this company is the same. So again, it was CC Custom Prints. I ordered this off Amazon. I think if you go to cccustomprints.com, you may get to a website. I probably will go and check that out. I'll link everything in the comment section below. I think I may go purchase another one and just see what that's like. I paid $18 for an 8x10. Pretty pricey if you ask me. Why don't we take a look at these drills real quick before I let you go. They do have dimples on the back. From what I'm seeing, I'm not seeing a lot of trash. Let's go ahead and take a look at these blacks, these 310s. I'm not seeing any knobbly bits right off the top. They're nice and shiny, look at that. And they seem to be lining up fairly well in my tray, so they look like they're in pretty good shape. I always like to look at the 310s or one of the darker colors, because those are the ones that, you know, sometimes I think we have problems with. I also like to look at the lighter colors, because sometimes with the lighter colors, ooh, I've got some static, I can tell you that right now. Maybe it won't be too bad. But a lot of times, the lighter colors will have a lot of trash and issues too. So let's see how these whites look. These whites are 3865. Okay. They look really good to me too. So it looks like the drills are good quality. I would say the drill field's nice and clear. $18 for the size. I'm not quite sure about. It sure is interesting that they sent this. Yeah, see, it looks like somebody just like put that in there. I don't know. This is an interesting kit, you guys. Has anybody else ever ordered from CC Custom Prints? Very interesting. I'm very excited to start this up. I would say, other than the one bubble, it looks like it's fairly decent quality, but like I said, very interesting the way it's packaged and presented and all of that stuff. So we'll see. You will see more of this over in Drills and Chills. Maybe sometime before I get it finished, I'll go ahead and do a drill with me with it, and I'm just going to have fun. I wanted a little project that had something to do with Hocus Pocus to get me started, so now I have it. And now you've seen it. So I'm going to work some Hocus Pocus and get this mess cleaned up, and I'm going to let you go. But before I do, I want to remind you that we can change lives one drill at a time, even if it's just our own, because when we change our lives, the entire world around us is going to change. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Look for those links in the comment section below, or I always say that, the description box below, if you want to check this company out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.